Hello, this is your week 2 science video. Our topic this week is called water drop lens. It's pretty simple, just like last week, requiring just a few materials. Our materials this week are going to be a piece of wire, a pencil, water, a bowl, and newsprint, which I don't have at the moment, so I'm using this small book. My water's already in the bowl. I believe when you get to your classrooms, they'll be separate, and that will be an additional step to pour the water into the bowl. However, not important. Anyways, this week we are learning the difference between a convex lens and a concave lens. A convex lens is more rounded in the middle and thinner at the edges versus a concave lens, which is thinner in the middle and thicker at the edges. If you're successful in getting a convex lens, it will magnify your image. If your image is not magnified, you've made a concave lens, and it may even turn your image upside down. Our eyeball is a convex lens, and so is a magnifying glass. So you might want to have a magnifying glass on hand and show the class that it is thicker in the middle and how it thins out towards the end, and that's what we are looking for in our water droplet. So let's see if we can do this. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take our piece of wire, and we're going to get our pencil, and we're going to wrap our wire around our pencil. You're going to want to leave a little bit of a tail, because after you wrap your wire, you need to make sure that you then wrap, let's see, you're going to wrap it around. You want to make sure that you wrap, you're going to wrap the wire around itself. Otherwise, the water will not stay in the loop that you create. So when you make the loop, make sure to wrap it around the pencil and then wrap the wire around kind of its own neck to create a closed loop. So that's pretty much all we have to do. Now we put the water. I'm not sure that you're going to be able to see this through the video, but we'll try. You put the water in, you put the wire into the water, and you get like a little droplet, okay, and it just fell out, but that's basically all you're doing. If you've successfully made a convex lens, it will magnify the print. So here we go. We're going to drop it in. We're going to carefully try to bring it over the print. And if we have magnified the image, whoops, my water fell out, then we've made a convex lens. If the image is shrunken or upside down, it's concave, and we just need to start again. Okay, I don't think you'll be able to see in the video, but I can see it myself. I've got a convex lens. I can see that the image is a little bit magnified. What you might want to talk about is focal point, and the focal point means that the item you're using to magnify needs to be closer to what you're magnifying than to your eyeball. If, let's say, the magnifying glass is closer to my eyeball, I'm not going to get a good magnified image. It needs to be closer to what I'm trying to magnify. So same thing with your wire. You want to make sure that the kids aren't putting it right up to their eye, because it's not really going to do much. Rather, you want them to have it close to the print and try to get a little bit of a magnified image that way. So that's pretty much our experiment for the week. Kaylin should be sending you the scientific method and filling in some of those gaps. But as far as just the basic elements of the experiment, that's it. Have a good week. Bye.